Welcome to the Light WD. So friends, first I will show my folder structure. This is component folder. In component folder, there is lot of JS file. Initially, we just focus on signup.js, signup.cs, then context, use auth context.js, and this is my app.js file. This is firebase.config.js, index and CSS, index.css file. So first I will show you app.js file. This is my app.js file. In app.js file, I import two files. First one is signup. Second one is user auth context. Okay, user auth context is a wrapper component. We wrap sign up. Okay. Next, we discuss user auth context. User auth context is just a context state used to store data and access data all over the app globally. Now our main file signup.js. This is my signup.js and this is signup.css. In future, we will make full project, but this is our initial signup. The first step is signup. So this is my CSS file. I will just give you a little demo box. I hope so you have knowledge about CSS. I just go through the file and this is my signup.js file. So I will explain in front of you, not doing code. Okay, this is my React, use effect and use state. Import from React. Use effect is a hook used to execute a specific function inside the use effect when we land on the page. Use state is used to store data, simple. And this is our user auth context file. We import use auth, and this is our signup.css file. It's our CSS file. So I am working on functional base. There is two types in React. You can do coding in functional base or class base. I prefer functional base. That's why I use function. This is sign up. And this is we extract error sign up current user from use auth, means from user auth context. Okay, I will show you in a while user auth context JS file. This is our error, set error. This is back error, set back error. This is front end error. If any case, if user put less than password 6 digit, this state, we use this state. If something in backend, something wrong in backend, then we use this state. This is our use state used to store name, email, password and confirm password. This is my use state. I am checking in use state. If error mean backend error, if any backend error occur, set interval. Why we use set interval? Set interval is just show the error for some time. After 15 seconds, 5 seconds, error will be removed. This will be removed. Okay, the dependency of use effect, error and current user. Whenever any change in error or current user, the use state will be re-render. This is our user handler. This function getting value from input user type and store value in this object, full name, email, password. Okay, we are extracting e.target, name and value. I will give you, give me a second. This is my input field. In input field, we have type, attribute, placeholder, value, name, and onChange function, onChange handler. Okay, so that's why in React.js there is two way to store value. In use state, I use this value, this type. In set users, what is set user? Set user is a user state, use state. Okay, set user have a copy of current state. Now our full name is empty, email is empty, password is empty, confirm password is empty. Okay, whenever we type A, B, anything, then this function is run. Set user, callback function, return object. This is destructive property. We destruct the error, we destruct the object, then name and value. We updating name. What is name? Name is this name. There is name. If we are typing on email, then this name, email and value, this value. We are getting value and name from this input field. Okay. Then I hope you will understand. I will give you a little example. Console.log name give me a second. Okay, I will give you what is meant by. So name and value, when I am focusing on username, mean full name, then I press A, you can see full name equal to A. The value of full name is A, the name of attribute name is, you can see here, this is name. What is the name value? Is full name. And what is the value? Where we extracting the value? User is object. Okay, and dot full name, we are getting user dot full name. What is the full name value? Okay, so this, if I press again, you can see, if I press here, you can see here. Okay, I hope you understand. This is my form. OnChip handler use when we put each and everything, name, email, password and confirm password. Then when we press on sign up button, then this function will trigger. Okay, as to registration form, div class, input, type, full name. Okay, this is my full name, email, password. You can see, you can see here, this is my all form. This is my on submit function, submit handler. Okay, this function will trigger when we press submit this button. Okay, here we are prevent default form behavior. Then we are extracting here user, full name, password, confirm password, email. Where from user? What is user? User is object. Okay, here we are checking password, confirm password, email, full name. Okay, if any these field is empty, then we are showing error. Okay, here I am checking if password and confirm password is not match, then we are showing password does not match. If password length, okay, password confirm password length, then we are showing this error. Is if these are checks is valid, okay, then we are going to sign up. What is sign up? Sign up is just a function to calling from user auth context. Okay, here we are just doing empty string. Okay, now time to explain user auth context. This is my user auth context. Initially, I import use context, create context, use effect, and use state from React. Okay, and second line we importing auth error codes, create user with email and password on our state change. Okay, we register user with email or password. And third line is auth ndb firebase.config. I will just, this is my Firebase. This is a, okay, where this is instance of get FireStore and get auth. Okay, and this is my component user auth context. This is user auth context where we use this function. We use user auth context here as a wrapper component. Okay. Okay. User auth context, we are extracting and getting child, whole app as a child. Okay, then we make use state and current user state here, error and current users. This is use effect on our state chain is a Firebase built-in function. It's run each and every time when we user log in and log out. Okay, and this is my sign up function. We calling here. This is sign up function. In our sign up function, we need email, password, and full name. Okay, that's why we pass these three arguments here. Here we are initially set error. Here is if previous state in any error occur in store, then we are just here to passing null value. Here we are create user with email or password auth instance of. Here I will explain here. This is get auth instance. Okay, if user create result async function await, if it's just like a promise. Okay, we receive result. Here we are console result, try and catch, if anything is each and everything is good, then go to this site, if something wrong and print error. Okay, here we use full name. We are storing full name. Okay, we use get FireStore. We are not store data in authentication. Okay, now if we want to store full name, anything, phone number, anything like that, we have to use FireStore, Firebase, FireStore. I will show you. This is so try cause docref await add that collection db. What is db? db is a instance of get FireStore. I will give me a second. This is my you can see here get FireStore instance of get FireStore. And what is user? User is the collection name. Okay, what is full name is my name. Full name in modern JavaScript, you just pass name or value in object. Okay, here user id result.user.id, we access the user id by using result.user.id. What is result? Result we receive from create user with email or password as a result. Okay, user.id. If some is each and everything is go successfully, then we check allowed welcome new user create successfully. Okay, if something is wrong, then we print this error. Here we are checking something. It's a backend error. If our email already in use, then we print our email already in use. Okay, if we password less than 6 character, then we use, but we are also check in front end, not back end. Okay, we check here password. Okay, else part is we are this is value. In value there is three values: sign up function, error, and current user. Current user is now initially here registered. Error if something getting wrong in, and sign up is a use function to sign up the user. This is user auth provider. Okay, value, what is value? Value is this and children. Okay, here we are exporting default. Use auth, use context, user context. Create context, it will create for us context, and use context is return a component. Okay, we use by using use at we access all these value, all these value. Okay, I hope you understand. If you have any query, you comments below the videos, and I will give you another first one. Another thing is I will show you. I store value. I store. This is the user authentication provided user ID. Okay, authentication user UID. This is UID. Okay, we store UID here as a parameter. Okay, as a value. Why? In future we access specific user with this specific ID. Okay, that's why we store. If you want this UID is similar to add document ID, then you have to add this to line, not this. Okay, add this to line, this to line. This is doc db user info result.user ID. Then this is our user ID. This is our add document ID. Okay, here doc await set doc reference, document reference, and full name. Okay, I will give you this demo. Here is my full name. No, it's already exist. Okay, I will just click. Welcome, new user was created successfully. Now here you can see a new collection created. Here is two collection now. User info. This is user info. Okay. Then you have to notice these UID. These ID. UVY. And here I just create these user. You can see UV and UV. Okay. But I prefer this approach because in future you cannot make multiple document with same ID. Okay, if you leave on Firebase to create automatically IDs for document, it's better. Otherwise, it will create problem. Okay, hope you get understand. Thanks for watching.